are from group 5, 12 MIPA 2. Today we are going to show you how to make chicken rice with a rice cooker. But before we start, we are going to introduce ourselves first. Hi, my name is Aski.
Hello, my name is Surya Ramadan.
Hi, my name is Halisha.
My name is Diva Olia.
Hi, my name is Zaskia. Hi, my name is Naila.
Hi, my name is Maharani.
Okay, today we will show you and guide you how to make chicken rice with a rice cooker. Without any further,
Let's get started!
The first ingredient is soy sauce, and then we have oyster sauce, and then here's chili sauce, and we have a little bit of salt and seasonings, and then we have pepper, and then here's a half liter of rice, and then we have green onions, and then we have sugar, and the important thing is 2 fried chickens.
Take a half liter of rice, then wash it like this, and then put the rice into the rice cooker.
First of all, add 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1, 2, okay. Next, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Okay. Next, half teaspoon garlic powder. And then, half teaspoon granulated sugar. So, add 1 glass of water. This is like last step, add seasoning and salt. Okay, that's it.
Stir it well so it can mix perfectly. Just like this.
The most important step is putting chicken into a rice cooker.
Hello friends, here I will tell you how to operate the rice cooker. First, we must plug the power to socket, and we must press the cook button, and after that we must to wait until the indicator to warm. After a few moments, the indicator will go to warm position and it indicates the rice is cooked. Very simple, isn't it?
After we know how to use a rice cooker, we will continue with this step. Once cooked, mix this chicken with rice using a spoon. Don't forget to add green onion for this step.
The rice is delicious, the flavor is mixed well, and it combines perfectly with the chicken. You should try it. So, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. See you on my next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.